Hey guys, thanks for joining us today. Mike here at Weeby Autos. Today we have an 06 Chrysler Crossfire. You don't really see these around a lot. Got the owner here, is going to tell us a little bit about it. How you doing today?
Good.
What a cool car.
Thank you very much.
I don't really see these around too much.
No, they're rare, but they're an excellent automobile.
Yeah, it's really Mercedes underneath there. This one's a 6-speed manual, which makes it even rarer. I think about 20% of them are 6 speeds. Only the rest are automatics. So how long have you owned it?
I've owned this car about 3.5 years.
Cool. Beautiful color. That's such a nice, like, Art Deco design, you know?
It was made to be noticed.
Yeah, it was. Super low miles, 18,550 miles on this car. It is beautiful too. Heated seats. You got a 6-speed. Got a deployable wing right here. It's pretty cool. Does provide a decent amount of downforce too. You notice a big difference with the wing up? A little bit of downforce?
A little bit.
Yeah.
There's some statistics on that. You can see on it.
Okay.
It comes up automatically at about 60 miles an hour.
Okay. Let's pop the hood. Like a top, huh? Pretty reliable cars too. You see a lot of them out there, like 200,000, right?
Oh, you see some high mileage
sale.
cars out there. You know, as this one, as we discussed, is a very low mileage car.
Super low. It's just a real, you know, it's a testament to the build quality on it.
I believe it is.
Very cool.
They were intended to be used.
Mm-hmm. Awesome. Well, guys, thanks for joining us today. Again, my name is Mike from Weeby Autos. Feel free to give me a call. I'm at 631-339-0399. You can also check out more pictures, information, and detail on our main website. It's weebyautos.com. And thanks again for showing us your car.
Thank you.
Beautiful.